Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and we are giving you a tour of the Pinnacle at the Reading. Now the Pinnacle is a massive development. It's what you would call a mega development in Jamaica. They are going to build 4 towers at 28 floors each. So each tower will have 28 floors, and each of the 4 will be the tallest buildings in Jamaica. I'm sure they'll have some way of measuring which one will be the tallest, but the 4 of them will be the tallest, not only in Jamaica, but the Caribbean. Now look at this view. I mean, wow, that's all I can say. Wow, really nice view. Can you imagine 28 floors up in the air and you're looking out at this view? I really have to give credit to the developers. They chose an ideal location. So what you're looking at now is where the crane is. That's the base of one of the 4 towers. And to the right is going to be a commercial building that is a part of the development. Now, one of these towers is going to operate as a hotel, and because of that, they are not going to allow Airbnb rentals for these units. The other 3 units will be residential. I'm amazed at how nice this view is. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and we'll give you updates on this development every 2 weeks. Alright guys, have a good day.